Class 10th Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.1 Chapter 7 Question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give the reason for your answer. Question number 2. Minus 3 comma 5 comma bracket 3 comma 1 break comma bracket 0 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 4. Third is 4 comma 5 7 comma 6 4 bracket and bracket 4 comma 3 bracket and bracket 1 comma 2 bracket. सो हम पता करते हैं कि गिवन टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रेट्रियल है, ये किस टाइप का क्वाड्रेट्रियल है. हेयर सॉल्यूशन, सेकंड सॉल्यूशन, this is a quadrilateral. Naming is that A, B, C and D. Point है -3 5 3 comma 1 0 comma 3 and -1 comma -4. So we find AB distance here. Let A point x1 comma y1 -3 5 B point x2 y2 is equal to 3 and 1. So AB distance -3 and 5 3 comma 1. x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. x2 is 3, x1 is -3. y2 is 1, y1 is 5. Three my plus -4. 339 9 9 81 617 819 97 336 6 is the 36. Adding is 6 6 12 2 3 5 52. Second side BC distance. B and C 3 1 and 0 3. Let point B x1 y1 3 1 and C point x2 y2. So BC distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. x2 is 0. Here point is BC 3 comma 1 and 0 and 3. Point B x1 y1 3 1 and point C x2 y2 0 comma 3. BC डिस्टेंस निकाल रहे हैं। x2 हमारा 0 है, x1 इज x1 3. y2 is 3 and y1 is 1. माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 9 4 13, रूट 13. So BC distance CD, let point C x1 y1 is equal to 0 comma 3 and D point x2 y2 is equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. So CD distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is minus 1, x1 0, y2 minus 4, y1 is 3. माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर minus 7. So minus 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 7 का स्क्वायर 49. 50. So 50, 25, 5 and 5. So 5 root 2. Find AD distance. AD distance. A is minus 3, 5 and D is minus 1 and comma minus 4. Let point A x1 y1 is equal to minus 3 comma 5. Point B D x2 y2 minus 1 comma minus 4. So AD distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is that minus 1 and x1 is minus 3. Y2 is minus 4. Y1 is 5. So minus 1 plus 3 minus 4 and minus 5 is 9. 2 का square 2 to the 4 85. 85. So here quadrilateral A, B, C and D point is minus 3 comma 5 3 1 0 3 minus 1 and minus 4. So AB distance here AD distance is 85 and CD distance is 5 root 2. CD distance 5 root 2. BC distance is root 13 and root of 52. Here all sides of quadrilateral are different. Here all the sides of quadrilateral are different, so we say that it is not square or quadrate rectangle. It is not square and rectangle. So next question. Question number 3. 4 comma 5 bracket 7 comma 6 bracket and bracket 4 comma 3 bracket or 1 comma 2. What type of quadrilateral? So we have to check it. 4 comma 5 7 comma 6 4 comma 3 and 1 comma 2. Let point A x1 y1 is equal to 4 comma 5. Point B x2 y2 7 6. Distance AB x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is 7, x1 is 4, y2 6, 5. So 7 and 4 get 3, 7 5 get 1 का square. 3 3 is 9, 1 10, 10 root 10. Distance AB is root 10. Distance BC distance, let point B x1 y1, point C x2 y2. Here पर point BC हम निकाल रहे हैं डिस्टेंस B point x1 x1 comma y1 and C point is x2 y2, which is looking here 7 comma 6 and 4 comma 3. 7 6 4 3. BC distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. x2 is that 4 minus 7, y2 is 3 minus 6, 4 में 7 के 3, प्लस 6 में 3 गया -3, सो 3 3 9 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 18, which is 3√2. Another distance BC CD distance. Let point C x1 y1 and point D x2 y2, which is equal, C point is 4 and 3 and 1 and 2. So find the distance C and D, 4, 3, 1, 2. So CD distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is that 1 minus 4 and y2 is 2 minus 3. So minus 3 minus 1. 3 3 is 9 and 1 1 is 1. So we get root 10. Root 10. We find distance ED. So let A point x1 y1 is equal to 4 and 5. B point x2 y2. D point, which is D point is 1 and 2. Distance AD x2 minus x1 and y2 minus 1 y1. X2 is that 1 minus 4, y2 is 2 minus 5. माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर -3 का स्क्वायर यानी 9 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 18, 2. We also find diagonal AC. AC A is 4 and 5, A and C distance. Let A point x1, y1, 4 and 5, C point x2, y2, 4 and 3. So AC distance यहाँ पे डायगोनल हम AC निकाल रहे हैं, जहाँ पर A पॉइंट हमारा 4 एंड 5 है एंड 4, 3 है. A point is x1, y1, 4 and 5 and C point is 4, 3. हम AC डिस्टेंस निकाल रहे हैं. x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is that 4, x1 is 4, y2 is 3, 0 minus का 2, 2 to the 4, which is comes 2. Diagonal BD, let B point x1, y1, 7, 6 and D point x2, y2, x2, y2, 1, 2. So BD distance x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. So x2 is that 1 minus 7, 2 minus 6, so minus 6 minus 4, 6 is the 36, 4 4 is 16, 6 6 12 and 1 2 3 5. Here 52 LCM, 2 to the 4, 2 6 is 12, 13. So 13 root 2, 13 root 2. So we all find here AD 3 root 2, AC length is 2 and BD length is 3, 2 root 13 and CD is root 10 and BC 3 root 2 and AB root 10. Here hence A B C D is quadrilateral. Opposite side is equal. AB equal to DC is equal to root 10 and AD equal to BC is equal to 3 root 2 and diagonal AC is equal to 2 and BD is equal to 2 root 3. So here it is opposite side equal and diagonal. Here it is opposite side equal and diagonal are different. So it is a parallelogram. Opposite side equal and diagonal are different. It is a parallelogram quadrilateral is formed. We have easily solved question 6 का 1 and 2 पार्ट हमने किया, आसानी से किया. इजी क्वेश्चन था. बच्चे से प्रैक्टिस में रखकर सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस के द्वारा अपने को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियोस. ओके, थैंक यू.